Impact times probability squared. I've just come up with a little equation that you may use to help you identify what changes and approaches are the ones that make the most sense for you with a view to improving some aspect of our body, energy levels, health, fitness, etc. Because what we often do is we try and do what we consider to be the most impactful changes. So we decide that we're just going to stop drinking, stop socializing, we're going to train every single day. And whilst obviously those things will produce great results, if they are not going to happen, and chances are experience has told us that is the case, fairly pointless an approach. So what I want you to do is, for the thing that you could do, give it a score of 1 to 10 on its impact. So 10 will produce world-class results, 1 is pointless, 5 pretty good. And then also assign a same score, 1 to 10, of the probability of you doing that thing on a consistent enough basis to get the results. And then square that number. So in theory, you're going to come up with a result that's potentially out of 1,000. Could be impact is 10, and the probability is 10. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. But more likely, what we might do is decide the impact of one choice is an 8, but the probability of us doing it is a 3. So 3 times 3 is obviously 9, times 8 is 72 out of 1,000. Would we be better off doing something that had an impact score of 5, but was a 7 probability of happening? Because 7 times 7 is 49, times 5 is 343. Don't need to get mega precise with the numbers, but you get the idea there that the probability should have a higher weighting. It's a more important thing, because us doing it is always going to add more, no matter what the thing is, than us not doing it. It's like I often talk about, knowingly suboptimal and done always beats theoretically better but deferred. So give that a score. 1 to 10 on the impact, how beneficial that thing will be. 1 to 10 on the probability of you doing it consistently. Times that number by itself, times that by the first number, and the higher the number is, the more likely that approach is to be something that would benefit you doing.